Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, my dear kids. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, plum color, blue color, orange color, pink color, gray color, red color, mint green color, maroon color, rose pink color, dark green color, lavender color, gold color. A for axe. B for bus. C for candy. D for doll. E for elbow. F for fruit. G for girl. H for hippo. I for igloo. J for jackal. K for key. L for leaf. M for milk. N for net. O for oil. P for potato. Q for quill. R for rain. S for sunflower. T for tree. U for uniform. V for vase. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yoga. Z for zigzag. Let's learn small letters. Small A for axe. Small B for bus. Small C for candy. Small D for doll. Small E for elbow. Small F for fruit. Small G for girl. Small H for hippo. Small I for igloo. Small J for jackal. Small K for key. Small L for leaf. Small M for milk. Small N for net. Small O for oil. Small P for potato. Small Q for quail. Small R for rain. Small S for sunflower. Small T for tree. Small U for uniform. Small V for vase. Small W for window. Small X for X-ray. Small Y for yoga. Small Z for zigzag. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Small English alphabets. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Subscribe.